In this video, I will show you how to pay Uber Eats with debit card. In order to do that, what we can do is we first need to add some items to our cart. For example, for this one, I'll just add Subway right here. I'll add a tuna sandwich and I'll add this to our cart. Now, once this has been added to your cart, you can click on this view cart right here. And then after that, click on this go to checkout. And then you can see that I only have Uber Cash. In order to use your debit card, click on this add payment method. And then you can just link your debit card on this credit or debit card option. Now from in here, what you can do is you can just enter your card number as well as your expiry date, your CVV, and also the country or the bank that issued right here. Now you can also put right here a nickname for that. Once you're done, you can push through with your transaction. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.